Good evening to those who listen. It's March 5th, 2022. Sorry about that. It's 8:40 p.m. and we are in a tornado warning. And all I've seen so far is lightning. It's not really that windy. I don't see anything, but we're supposed to be taking cover. So I'm going to be quick to the cover if something happens. I don't know where it's at exactly, where it has touched down at. It's a big county, so it could be. This seems to be more focused over to the north, which would be the northwest. We're in the southwest here. Here comes the rain now. Here comes some more lightning, and here comes some more warnings. As you can hear, we got warnings. Wow, it's cold rain. Take shelter. Whoa. Yeah, how come our sirens aren't going off? You're right. We're getting this warnings on our phones and on the TV, but no sirens in. There it goes. There they go. They're just going off now. Yeah, wait, you'll hear it. Ooh. It's way off in the distance. I can hear it. How come we're not getting it down here? Whoa, look at those clouds up there. There's a siren. Now it's kind of calming down. That's when they say to watch that. Sorry if the phone's getting wet. Here comes the sirens. We can finally hear them a little bit now. Just stop though. We're getting tons of warnings on their phones. It sounds, the thunder sounds weird, but I don't see much wind. It's cold rain. It's gonna. I should turn the national or the local news on. All right, I'm gonna. Whoa! That was a big lightning. All right. Thanks for watching. God bless. I'll keep you updated.